Dr. Stein here with the Biomechanics series. Today we're going to do a pure strengthening thigh, leg, butt exercise. Leg press, double leg. We're going to do all high weight. What I mean by high weight is, I want everybody to get this clear, it's all relative. Doesn't matter if you're an 80-year-old woman or a 20-year-old power lifter. It's all relative. What I like to see patients do is keep the reps in between 8 and 12 reps. If you see you're doing an exercise regarding what the weight is, if you're doing 13, 14, 15 reps, I think that's too light. I think you're wasting your time. The goal is to keep it right at 10, 11 reps. If you're doing the rep, you're starting to feel you're getting tired at 10, 11, always stop. Don't use that number. Don't try and get 12, 13 and cheat and recruit. That's when you get injuries. That's when you shut off muscles. When you start getting to 9, 10 and you feel like your mechanics are going to go, stop. On every single exercise that you do. Same thing with leg press. Doesn't matter, I'm only doing 3 plates. I can usually put on 6, 7 plates to keep where I get 9, 10 reps. But for filming purposes, I'm going to keep it at 3 so I can talk while I practice. So what happens is find your own weight. Don't go too heavy. If you can only do 4 or 5 reps, too heavy for you. Try and get it 8, 9, 10. So you slowly build up the weight to where you get the right desired amount for your workout, and you find out where you can do 8 to 12 reps. That's where you want to stick at for you. This exercise, you want to put your seat all the way back. That's very, very important to keep your angle of your knees at the right 90-degree angles. We're strengthening the quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Everybody can have stronger glutes, hamstrings, and quads. The stronger they are, the more they stabilize your knees and the more they stabilize your back. If you have a disc problem, there's nothing better than having strong thighs to protect the back. Highly recommend this exercise. Best one in the gym to strengthen your thighs and your butt and your glutes. When you do this exercise, don't forget you have to have the 90-degree angle rule. That's 100% with the body mechanic. The higher you go with your feet, the better. So you push off, open the handles, put your feet as high as they go. When you come down, you're actually using your hamstrings and your quads and your glutes. Stop at 90 degrees, push up. I always keep my arms here just as a safety thing. I am not using them to assist me. I just use them as a safety blanket, not to extend less than 90 degrees. My toes are always straight. You don't want to take your toes and put them out to the side. If you put your toes out to the side, you will recruit with your abductor, your tensor fasciae lata muscles. You will shut them down. You'll have less stability in your knees and your hips. Nice and straight. Don't forget, your legs are really strong and they have the capability to be really strong. So don't hesitate to increase the weight on this exercise. Every exercise you do, every time you work out on this exercise, slowly increase the weight to find that 8 to 12 sweet spot, rep sweet spot, and this will strengthen your legs. Also, what you want to do is don't put your feet too low. If you put your feet too low, you're going to incorporate your low back and your knees in the exercise. You will hurt your low back and you will hurt the knees. Great exercise. Don't forget to do it. Incorporate this in your workout. Don't forget to like and share my YouTube channel, Dr. Stein, Biomechanic out.